Mason Pot fam, thank you for tapping in today. How to get rid of or reduce that chlorophyll taste in your infusions. There's a couple different ways you can go about it. The first one I have done a bunch. The second one I'm actually still yet to try. So let's start off with the first one that I know about and have done and has worked for me. The first one I use with butter and coconut oil. You want to use it with hard substances because you're going to need to separate them. You'll see what I mean. So I recently did a video too, drop below here. Check that out. So it's really easy, guys. All you do during the infusion process is you add, let's say you did you know, a stick of butter, just add about a cup of water. What that water is going to do during the infusion process is pull out that chlorophyll. And you might be saying, water and oil don't mix. Exactly. That's the beauty of it. The water is going to pull out some of that flavor, but the cannabinoids are going to bind to the fat. So you're going to get rid of some of that flavor there. I did that recent video. I've done one in the crock pot in the past. I've done a bunch of different times and it's always seemed to work. I haven't noticed a change in potency. That's what was like my main worry at first when I was throwing water in there. It's kind of like the first time I did the ice water hash and put water in there. I'll link that video below on TrueBuds TV because it's dope too. But throwing water and cannabis kind of seems contradicting, right? And I still haven't done the second one. And I'll play a little clip from the True Bud Show podcast when I had Amy Robbins on. She does a lot of infusions. What she does, and I'll let her tell it a little more, but she essentially lets that cannabis flower sit in alkaline water to pull out that chlorophyll flavor. Then she goes through the decarb process. Let's play that right now, real quick.
Which the first time you do it, you're gonna be like, "Oh my god, what am I doing?" But it will hurt your heart a little bit. Put it in a mason jar and then fill it with alkaline water, and it will pull out the chlorophyll. Soak it for like 48 hours, and then it'll pull out all the chlorophyll. So then when you drain it out, just decarb it from there.
Oh,
It
really?
helps the flavor. It doesn't get so like plant tasting.
Some cool tips by Amy there. If you want to check out the full podcast, go to the True Bud Show channel and see what's good there. Now, there is another way that I do highly recommend as well, and I like for on the go in the convenience factor. This could actually probably be number one, not even playing. So let's say you have your coconut oil, whether it's a liquid coconut oil, your regular coconut oil, olive oil, butter. It just needs to be in a liquid form. But all you're going to do is just put it in capsules. Get a little capsule machine. It's like $7 on Amazon. Buy the capsules. You could get a big bag. It's like $10 or some shit. I forget the exact price. But you can just make your own capsules for the road to go. Just simply put your oil in the capsules and you can just take them that way. There will be no taste at all there. And maybe you might have like a little hiccup or something and have a little flavor there. You could just simply add like a little flavoring in there. A little lemon juice I know can reduce that. I don't do that. But again, the capsules is a really clutch way to get rid of that flavor in general. Now, I know the main question is probably people mixing it in foods and other stuff like that. So that's why I did leave the capsules for third here. And I'd say fourth, let's just throw in a little bonus, is use concentrates. Concentrates in general will have a little crisper flavor. It's not going to have as much of that chlorophyll taste at all. So that's another route to go. I hope this video of just like reducing and getting rid of the chlorophyll taste in your infusions and edibles, you find it helpful. And please drop a comment below with any other questions. And again, if you have a method you'd like to use, please let me know. We're all about building the community here at Mason Pot and just keeping it going, guys. So thank you for tapping in, and we'll see you on the next video here on Mason Pot. And don't forget, we also have the True Buds TV channel and the True Bud Show podcast. So I'll catch you guys on some of those and making some tasty infusions.